Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Govind English Teacher. Today, some of my friends are here in the midst of the Nature's Lab in the Coconut Garden. The location is very beautiful and it is a beauty's glance. And some of my friends came here to attend a training session at our school premises. And one of our friends, Krishna Rao from what is the school? I have forgotten.
Welcome.
Welcome. Okay. Now he is going to interact with us, and is first of all he is going to introduce himself. Then and he is going to talk about next question. Okay. Tell me about yourself, sir. Yeah.
Yes, my name is Krishna, working as school assistant at ZPH School, Belgaum.
Sir. So what is the purpose of coming here, sir?
To have to be attend the school complex meeting here.
Okay.
That's why I came here.
Yeah, I think you have been working as a school assistant in English language for a long time. And in your teaching experience, please give some more tricks regarding English communication, and it will help our viewers, learners. Okay.
What kind of tricks that you need to have from me?
Yeah.
You are
You
an
can say
expert
because
in teaching English.
yeah,
How
yeah,
can I give more and more tricks to you?
not tricks. Okay, and yeah, you have to share your teaching experience. Yeah.
In my teaching experience, I produce so many students to make them to speak English fluently. That's why I kept so many special classes and video classes and some other both electronic media and sophisticated information I provided to them. With that help, they can speak English fluently. Most of the children are able to speak English fluently in our school.
So to make our student to speak. So do you teach grammar or do you provide any videos regarding communication? What type of method you are following to make them to speak in English language?
And combination of both grammar and vocabulary. Without vocabulary, grammar can't make them to speak English fluently. With the combination of both grammar and vocabulary, I try myself better to make our students to speak English. Besides that, I have some video and audio lesson videos and audios are there. And now with my friend is there, Rayana sir, he helps me a lot to make our students to speak better English.
Yeah. Just most of the English teachers they want to create an English environment. So without having a English environment, one cannot be fluent speaker. So what type of environment you are creating among your students to
In
speak?
our school, we provide English lab also, and we make with my friend so many teaching learning material. And with that, after school hours, we provide those things to make and enthuse the students to speak English. And we together make to know the necessity of English in the present scenario. That's why we do our best in our school.
Yeah. So to learn English language, one can develop professionally and personally. Very important. In this juncture, what are the suggestions that you are going to give the new learners, those who want to learn, those who passionate to learn English language? What are the suggestions you are giving the new learners? Some people, those who have already dropped out students are there now, and how can they learn? And what way they can learn?
And I kept so many special classes for them. First of all, I make them to read fluently, and thereafter some grammatical tips are there. Especially my focus on making them to speak or providing conversational English, especially. Some Grant Taylor books are there, and some Norman Lewis books are there, and Hornby books are there. When I follow those books, I came to know so many things. I just implement the things what I have learned there from that book, and finally we produce better result.
Okay, you're following some important communication, conversational
Books
grammar
also.
books are there. So basing on that books, and you're teaching to students, and they are having English environment, so that they are
They are able
trying
to
to
speak
learn.
English.
Yes, nice and wonderful meeting like you. And I think you're doing good job, great job. And the main motto of our teachers, and we have to make our student to speak English confidently and
fluently.
fluently like native speakers. Let us try to level
our
best.
best.
So, okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for coming my session and
Thank you,
making
Govind
live.
garu.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you. This is the location where we are just staying here. We are in the midst of Coconut Garden, a beautiful location here. And thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank
Krishna
you, Govind
sir,
garu.
for
Thank you, Govind
your good
garu.
advices. Thank
Thank you,
you.
Govind garu.
Bye.